God.
Okay, come on.
And sulit ang
Oh, come on. Come back. Yeah.
The instructor is really worth.
Okay, get out.
kung mapaano ka nito, baka mag-high blood ka niya. Baka sumpuhin ka ng high blood.
Lay down.
Why paring David so?
It's good. It's good.
Oh my goodness.
Demo first.
Same way.
Same way.
Watch out for the bread. I'll show you first.
Okay, okay, okay.
I'll do a push-up on your knees, right?
Mukha naman ako there.
Kasi hindi mo ipato ang tenyo.
Maraming pera yan.
Pero matutukutan.
So you got to do that.
Akala ko may sandalan nito.
Every one of the
Hinihintay kong maplat yung likod ko.
get ready for the ball.
Diyos kaya pag ganyan ay mapaplat yung tiyang ko.
Eh, flat na nga eh. Na ako dapat maganyan.
Down and then up. Hindi.
Keep trying. That's good. Keep trying.
Eh ba't si parin Dede kagaan ng ano?
Hindi ka hahalik.
No, you push up.
He's already sweating. He's already working.
Yeah, that's what I am saying.
Trabaho naman sa ano siya eh. Eh, maribig ano ba trabaho niya?
Kaya nga.
Sana namang heavy na trabaho.
Tapos mamayang gabi mag-jibol na naman kayo.
Oo nga.
Dispose mo na yung mga ano,
Mm.
yung mga maliliit mong tinabit, makukunan nito. Kakaintindihan na yan. Wala. Malabo yan. Baka maulit yung pilay mo niya.
You watch Tito. Look what they doing. Look. Look what they doing.
Nice.
Ay nagustuhan ni paring Dede.